When I first visited the Philippines after 14 years, my Auntie Jeanette said, look at those people over there. They're really poor, they live in a shanty, but they're outside laughing and playing. And that's being Filipino, always finding joy in the darkest moments in life. So for me, being Filipino means always laughing, always singing, doing karaoke, and enjoying food. So we're cooking caldereta. It's a Spanish-inspired Filipino dish. Chopping the garlic. We need lots of garlic for good Filipino cooking. Garlic finely chopped. Oh my god, you dropped another carrot! Oh, I dropped it again! Garlic and onions together.
Ooh, garlicky.
2 cups of water. And once it gets slightly cooked, we can add the tomato paste. Yay! Salamat! Salamat. Salamat!